Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Excitement is building up day by day for Apple's upcoming smartphone launch. Finally, the latest Apple iPhone 17 Air hands-on video shows the most detailed mannequin. According to the latest available data, the new hands-on video shows more details of the Apple iPhone 17 Air. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple's next-generation iPhone 17 series is already creating buzz months before its official launch event. The Apple iPhone 17 Air is effectively positioned as the successor to the iPhone 16 Plus and is expected to be unveiled alongside the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro in September. The new ultra-thin smartphone is finished in black, and Apple's touch camera shutter is enabled, even though the smartphone only has a rear-facing camera. The thinnest iPhone to date has already been spotted in hands-on videos, but the new dummy in the video published by Majinbu Official is said to more accurately represent the final look of the smartphone. This is because the dummy takes into account the materials that will be used for the display, frame, and back panel. Compared to the iPhone 16 Plus, Apple is making two major design changes. First, the phone will be significantly thinner. Rumors suggest just 5.5 millimeters, which could even beat the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Second, the camera module will grow to cover almost the entire width of the phone, although Apple is only installing a 48-megapixel main camera and has completely abandoned the ultra-wide camera. This will allow Apple to free up a little more space in the very thin body. Previous rumors have suggested that the iPhone 17 Air's specs are largely identical to those of the iPhone 17, including an Apple A19 ARM chip, 8GB of RAM, a 24-megapixel selfie camera, an aluminum frame, and MagSafe. However, the iPhone 17 Air is reported to feature a much smaller battery of only around 3000 mAh, as well as a larger 6.6-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and support for Apple's always-on display technology. Previously, it was reported that iPhone 17 Pro Max could feature a groundbreaking 5000 mAh battery. This is a record in Apple's history. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max will be the most premium and pricey model in the eagerly awaited iPhone 17 series, and probably in the history of iPhones as well. Slated to be launched in September, the iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to have a higher price point. The presentation of the entire iPhone 17 series, including the Air and Pro models, is expected in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.